If you've forgotten your TP-Link Wi-Fi router password, don't worry. There's a straightforward way to reset it and set a new one. This guide walks you through how to change a TP-Link router password even if you no longer remember the old one. Before we begin, I also want to remind you how important it is to stay safe online. A VPN protects your privacy, hides your activity, and makes your internet connection more secure. NordVPN is one of the best options available today. It is fast, simple to use, and trusted by millions of people. You will find the special NordVPN link in the description, and I will explain more about it at the end of the video. When the Wi-Fi password is forgotten and you can't log into the router, the only solution is to reset the router to its factory settings. This removes the old Wi-Fi name and password and restores the default login credentials. To do this, make sure the router is powered on, then locate the small reset button on the back or bottom of the device. Using a paperclip or pin, press and hold the reset button for about 10 to 15 seconds until the router lights start flashing. Release the button and wait a couple of minutes for the router to reboot completely. Once the router has reset, connect to it using a computer or phone. You can connect using an Ethernet cable or the default Wi-Fi network name printed on the label of the router. First, open the browser on your computer or phone. In the search bar at the top, type the numbers 192.168.1.1. After typing this, press Enter. When you do that, the TP-Link login page will appear on your screen. TP-Link routers usually have the same default username and password. Both are the word admin written in small letters, so in the username field, type admin. In the password field, also type admin. When both fields are filled, click on the Login button. After you log in, you will see the main dashboard of your TP-Link router. This is where all the settings are. To change your username and password, look at the menu on the left side. Find the option called System Tools and click on it. When it opens, look for the option named Password and click on that as well. Now you will see a page where you can update your details. On the right side, you will see 3 sections. The first section asks for your old username. Since the default username is admin, type admin there. The next section asks for your old password. Again, type admin. Below that, you will see 2 fields where you can enter your new username and your new password. In the new username field, type the username you want to use. You can choose any name you like. After that, move to the new password field. Type a password that is easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. Then type the same password again in the Confirm Password field. After filling all the details correctly, click on the Save button. Your router will restart to apply these changes. This may take a few seconds. When it turns back on, you will be asked to log in again. Now enter the new username and password that you just created. Click Login. If everything was typed correctly, you will enter the dashboard again. This means your TP-Link username and password have been successfully changed. Changing these details is important for your online security. Another way to improve your online safety is by using a secure VPN. A VPN helps keep your internet activity private, protects you from tracking, and keeps your connection safe on public Wi-Fi. NordVPN is known as one of the best VPNs available today. It gives fast speeds, strong security, and easy apps for all devices. By the way, if you're interested in trying my personal favorite VPN that I've been using for over 5 years, check out NordVPN using the link in the description. It takes you directly to a limited time offer and includes a 30-day, no questions asked money-back guarantee, so there's zero risk in giving it a try. And if you're watching this on your TV, you can scan the QR code on the screen with your phone's camera to check out NordVPN right away.